Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patronage Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. New coverage, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, up 200% so far this year, getting requests for it. Again, people are piling in to these stocks going vertical. Be very, very careful. This is not normal trading behavior. And look at this. We're pulled away from the rotation zone. Didn't even get there on the 4 hour. We'll take a look at all the time frames. I'm just, we'll do analysis on these because people want to see it. Just be very careful. Know what you're doing. Don't go in blindly. If you don't know what you're doing, you should stay out of it. Okay, this is incredibly volatile, incredibly dangerous. And as I said, with Tesla, things that go up vertically tend to come down at some point vertically, and this is already up 200% on the year. So trying to add some sanity, again, I have no interest in this stock. I'm just going to do some analysis on it so people can understand some key levels, some pain points. Right now, we did not get a divergence on this last run-up because we have a higher high in the RSI. So that's a divergence. We might be setting up for a divergence on here. This is also a potential double top, although we're a long way. You would need to get a close below 28.71 to trigger. So we're also, as I said, pulled far away from the rotation zone, and at some point this will reconnect. How do we reconnect? We either have a diving move or a sideways move and letting this catch up. Key levels, the upside. Should we get above 38.72? These are your next levels. 39.97, then 41.22 to 41.61. And how did we derive those? We have from this key low back on January 27th to the most recent swing high, we have a forward Gann box. That gave us this 12.5, this 41.81, and a 44.50 level. Then we have the reverse harmonics on here from the low on February 18th to the high on the February 18th. This was just one trading day. And that gives us the 39.97 and 41.22 levels. So those are the targets to the upside. Key support, if we break below, level we'll be watching is a 25% pullback on this run-up. And again, these retracements are coming from back on the low on the 27th also. So these are based on the last little run-up, not the whole price projection from the lows. We can do that at some other point. So below 32.94, we'll start watching for a pullback to about the 31 area. If we get below that, then the 30.05, then 28.71. So those are the key levels. Let's take a look at that daily chart. Daily chart you also see here, pulling rapidly away from the rotation zone. So major support on the daily is all the way back at the 50% retracement of this up move. So we have the 50% retracement and the rotation zone. So this could easily, on a vertical drop, easily return to 27.17 and still be overbought. Keep that in mind. And then the bottom of the rotation zone is all the way back at about 22, just above the 75% pullback from the whole level. And we have in our research on things that have gone vertical, they can come back down to the bottom of the daily rotation zone. It is possible. So know where your stops are, know where your pain points are. Inside bar today, so an inside bar, lower high than yesterday, higher low than yesterday, which wasn't too tough because of a wide range of this. This actually was a pretty bearish bar, but then gap up, filling the gap, and then a resumptive move higher, albeit on slightly lower volume, but the volume has really picked up. This is just pure speculative volume and will probably end in a blow off top at some point, which when you go up, and then you come crashing back down, retracing a bunch of the last couple bars. You saw it in Tesla last week. Now Tesla's resuming its up move. If you want to see more of that, you can look at our Tesla videos. Again, just the point is here, learn to do some technical analysis. It's just not going to keep going forever. We cannot predict when it will go, when it will end, but know where your levels are, know where your stops are, know where your take profits are, and know what action you're taking. Why we list levels out? Those are the levels that we look to take action at. For example, if we exceeded the 38.72 and then we hit the 39.97, that would be, if we were long, that would be an area we would look to take action. That could be taking profits or raising a stop. We hit the 41.22 to 41.61. That's another area we take action. Why? Because those are likely areas where momentum could stop and we could get reversal setups. So that's what we have for you on Virgin Galactic, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.